This is your Captain Andreas, and today we will be examining a very large aircraft. This is the Airbus A380 by Lufthansa. It is the largest passenger airplane in production. Fully loaded, it weighs over 1 million pounds, yet on certain routes it's more fuel efficient per passenger than a family car. It has 2 decks and can carry up to 853 passengers. It is powered by 4 large turbofan engines. It is flown using fly-by-wire side sticks rather than a traditional yoke. Some seat configurations can have various flight commodities such as a wine bar. In Aerofly, flying this aircraft can be challenging as it requires very long runways to take off and land.